When a mining operation goes down, it bleeds.
Large copper and gold mines lose hundreds of thousands every single hour of unplanned downtime. In nearly 30% of cases, that downtime traces back to one avoidable cause. A spare part wasn't there when it was needed. Mining is asset-intensive. Yet most operations are flying blind, with thousands of parts cataloged across fragmented systems.
Reality check.
Up to 35% of MRO inventories contain duplicates. Capital is tied up in stock you didn't even know you had, while the part you need is 800 kilometers away. Static reorder points set years ago drive today's purchasing. No automated alerts, just drift between dead stock and critical stockouts. Large operations lose 140 hours a year to downtime, 42 of those due to parts unavailability. It's a massive financial leak. So what does good inventory management look like? It requires a completely different approach for MRO and ROM inventory. First, dynamic criticality scoring that accounts for production impact and lead times. Second, AI-driven forecasting that connects sensor data to your stocking strategy. And third, duplicate detection. Centralized visibility creates a single golden record across all sites. For bulk inventory, the solution is strategic blending and mine-to-mill optimization, treating the flow as one integrated system. Buffer stockpiles act as the lungs of the operation, ensuring the mill stays active even during pit stoppages. Remember, downtime is preventable. Static systems cost money, and criticality is about lead time. Predictive data belongs in your strategy, and mine-to-mill thinking transforms bulk inventory. Peak performance comes down to the quality of your inventory decisions. Get the data right, and the operation takes care of itself. Visit Verdantis.com to learn more.